everyone. This is Leah, and welcome to the 30-day challenge. I'm so excited to have you, and we're going to cover so much information over the 30 days. So the idea is by the end of 30 days, as you implement every day, you're going to walk away with some great strategies, a proven system to start attracting the right clients into your business as well. You know, those clients that it's a joy to work with, and also those clients as well who can actually pay for your services as well. So these are the 5 steps that you'll be going through over the next 30 days. So in week 1, you will go through our first stage on our path, which is know your audience that you want to serve, and also your superpowers as well. Then week 2, we will be going through the content, create the content that resonates with your specific audience. On week 3, we'll be going through crafting your irresistible free offers, which is known as a lead magnet in marketing terms. Then week 4, we will be going through integrating all your tech once your free gift has been created. And then on week 5, or part of week 5, we'll be looking at some ideas of how you can boost your email subscribers. So when you're doing your rating between 1 and 10 of where you feel you're sitting at the moment, please reference to this roadmap so that you can rate yourself effectively. I look forward to speaking to you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.